Missing the simplicity of Classic Notepad on Windows 11? You're not alone. The new version isn't everyone's cup of tea. Stick around as we show you how to bring back the clean, fast, distraction-free Notepad you know and love. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are restoring the Classic Notepad experience on Windows 11. Whether you miss the old school layout or need it for lightweight editing, we have got you covered. Let's dive in. Method 1. Disable Modern Notepad. Open Settings in Windows 11. Click Apps from the left sidebar. Select Advanced App Settings on the right. Click App Execution Aliases. Scroll to Notepad and toggle it off. This disables the new Notepad app. Method 2. Tweak the registry to launch Classic Notepad. Press Windows plus R to launch the Run utility. Then type regedit and hit Enter. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Navigate to this path. Right-click on Shell, choose New, then select Key and name it Open. Right-click on the new Open key, choose New, then Key and name it Command. Select the Command key in the right panel, double-click Default. In the Value Data field, enter the above code. Click OK and close the registry editor. Method 3. Restart and set default app. Restart your computer, open any .txt file. When prompted, choose the Classic Notepad. Click Yes to make it the default. You have now restored the Classic Notepad experience, simple, fast and clutter-free. Method 4. Use command prompt to install Notepad. Open command prompt as an administrator. Now run this command in the elevated command prompt window. Method 5. Restore Classic Notepad via Registry. This is another method of restoring the Classic Notepad via Registry. This method restores the Classic Notepad and also makes it available in the Open with menu. Copy this to Notepad. Once done, save the file with the .reg extension. For example, classic_notepad.reg. Close Notepad, double-click classic_notepad.reg to apply the settings to the registry. Confirm your action completed the process. And that's it. Classic Notepad is back and ready to roll. If this guide helped, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Got a different method or still running into issues? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep the Windows community thriving.